Hello everyone! This devlog is about how CreepWars TD performed on Steam in the first month after launch. My name is Christian Fischer, I am a German engineer and part-time video game developer. In the first month I sold a total of 18 units with a total revenue of $118. This is before tax and before Steam takes its share, so this will probably around $65 to $70 at all. The good thing is that only one game got refunded, so we are at a refunding rate of 5.5%, which is much better than at the early access launch. But to be honest, I was expecting more because at launch I had around 540 wishlists and I hoped for at least 10% of them to convert. Instead I got even more wishlists after the month. 554 at the time of recording. For comparison, at the early access launch I sold 95 copies with a total revenue of $402 with 158 wishlists at the beginning. The biggest problem now is that I don't know why it sold so bad compared to the early access. The most reasonable conclusion might be that I priced the game too high and the majority waits for a bigger discount till they finally buy. Nevertheless, my initial goals with this project were to deliver a good tower defense game, deepen my game creation skills and learn the whole process of publishing a game on Steam. The only financial goal I have set was to reach a total revenue of $1,000 to get back my fee for releasing on Steam, which I maybe accomplish at the next Steam sale. What do you guys think about the game? Please let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Bye.